What should we eat?
I don't know.
Beef jerky.
Getting this.
No beef jerky.
Have chocolate in my teeth.
Again, just informing that she has also never seen a waterfall before.
Never.
So it's our first time going to a waterfall and her very first time ever going to a waterfall.
Yes.
So it's also our first time.
Ever.
It's good. We're excited. You excited?
Very.
We made it to the edge of the world. Holy moly. So this is our setup. Tiny little hole right here. There's a little rock. And then 200-foot plunge. So we got here, we hiked in, we swam, we froze, and now we're enjoying God's creation on the edge of the world. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
It's our first waterfall.
Yeah. It's better than I imagined.
God's raw creation. Crazy.
Crazy.
Holy moly.
Made it out. John tried to kill us. No, I'm just
Okay, I almost died.
kidding. He did almost die. Now we're gonna get some dinner.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.